Okay, in today's lesson, we're going to make a skirt with a cowl on the side seam. So why this particular design? Well, first of all, there is no side seam. No seam on the side. That's unusual. Secondly, as with all cowls, it's on the bias. Side seam on the bias, very rare. And thirdly, this is very dramatic, right? This is red carpet designs. All right, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to start with a piece of muslin. The size doesn't really matter. I mean, it depends on the size of the skirt, if it's a small skirt or a long skirt. But for the purpose of this exercise, I'm using a 24 by 24 square. What is important is the bias grain line, right? From corner to corner. We've done that previously, so we know what that is. I'm going to fold my muslin so that one corner is folded over like that, and so that the bias grain line is on the side seam of the form, away from the form, like this. And let's put a pin right on the muslin on the form, close to the princess seam of the form, in the front as well as in the back. Make sure that your bias grain line is nice and straight. And then I'm going to start creating my folds by taking my muslin, folding it over like this, and pinning it. Front and back as well. Just like we did in the previous video with the peg skirt, it's really important to pin all your pleats down firmly so that when we true these pleats onto paper, we can get an accurate drafting of the pattern so that when we put it back together, we'll be able to recreate this design, okay? And now I'm going to mark my waistline. And if you want to see what this looks like onto paper to create our pattern in the truing process, just like we did in the peg skirt, this is my waistline. And once I remove all the pins, it's going to give me a pretty crazy shape, right? But you know what to do, right? One pleat goes to another and so on. Okay, now we've got this section here that's sort of empty, if you will. It's bare, right? So I'm going to put a piece of muslin fabric inside here, like a facing really, so that it'll go from the waistline and it will be attached to the initial triangular piece that we started off with. So this facing right here, this piece of muslin that I just put inside here will be sewn, will be pinned and sewn to that triangular shape that I initially started with this muslin. And that will give me a facing. So I'm going to pin it, and it'll be stitched here into the initial section. Okay. And I think what we need to complete this design is a waistband, like a 2-inch waistband. I think that would really complete the design. All right, there you go. That'll do it.